is for ball that bounces on the ground. C is for cat who loves to play. D is for dog who runs all day. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish that swims along. G is for giraffe, so tall to see. H is for hat, it goes on me. A, B, C, sing with me. Learning letters, 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Sing along, it's really neat. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jump, get off your feet. K is for kite that flies up high. L is for lion, king of the sky. M is for monkey swinging around. N is for nest where eggs are found. O is for octopus swimming so free. P is for parrot up in the tree. A, B, C, sing with me. Learning letters, 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Sing along, it's really neat. Q is for queen wearing a crown. R is for rainbow up and down. S is for sun shining so bright. T is for tiger with stripes of white. U is for umbrella, keep off the rain. V is for violin, play it again. W is for whale so big in the sea. X is for xylophone, play it with me. Y is for yellow, bright like the sun. Z is for zebra, now we're done. A, B, C, now we know. Letters help our words to grow. Sing and dance, jump so high. Learning is fun, give it a try.